Hi guys, and welcome to Hello Kitty and Disney Collector Toy Surprises. But wait, why is Elsa standing there all by herself? Hi Elsa, what are you doing there all by yourself today?
I'm standing here and waiting for Anna because she is finally picking up our new washing machine. And I need to help her, and she will come here in the car soon, so I'm waiting for her.
Oh, that is great, Elsa. I know you've been having problems washing your clothes lately. So, yeah, let's wait for Anna then. Oh, here she is. Here's Anna. I will help you unbox the machine. So it's a red and white machine. Okay. It's a royal washing machine. And in the tumbler there are 3 red hangers for the clothes. And here is where you put in the detergent. And here is the one you turn for how many minutes you want to wash your clothes.
Finally, I can wash my clothes. Okay, so let's see here now.
And let's close.
Okay, so now I just need to turn the machine on. And I think this will do. And we press here. Oh, look! Oh, that is so nice to finally wash my clothes. Okay, now my clothes are ready.
So let's take out Elsa's clothes, her clean clothes, a little skirt, and her t-shirt. And we can hang the t-shirt on the little hanger. So Elsa, are you happy now that you washed your clothes?
Oh yes, I'm so happy. This machine was the best buy we could get today.
Elsa, there is something strange with your washing machine. It looks like there is something inside. Did you put it inside there?
No, I didn't do anything.
Oh, look at that. Now it's open. We have to stop it and see what's going on. What is this? It's a Disney Frozen surprise container. And it's you, Elsa, on the front. Well, let's open up to see what's inside. Flyer in the bag of candy, and look, it's a pendant with crystals. It's a blue necklace. So maybe you can wear this necklace, Elsa. Wow, Elsa, it looks beautiful on you, the necklace.
Yes, I feel really beautiful with this necklace on. It really matches my clothes.
Yes, you look great in it. But wait, now the machine is going on again. What's going on here? Elsa, there is something else in the machine now. What is that? We have to check it out. It's a bag. It's a Disney Frozen surprise bag. What do we have? Oh, it's a lot of candy in here. It's a lot of yummy chocolate candy. Let's try it. It's all crunchy as well. Yummy! Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos and stay tuned for more surprising videos here on my channel. Take care!